Good morning, guys. This is Robert, and today is Saturday. Saturday morning right here in the Santa Anita Canyon Road. This is where the closure is, and luckily we're invited to join this trail maintenance and repair activity today. That's the event by TRAILBUILDERS of San Gabriel, led by Gordon Chase over there. People are starting to converge. It's past 8 o'clock right now. And yeah, it will be a fun day. I haven't seen this trail for a long time, at least part of it, so we're lucky to see it today. Alright, we made it here to Chantry Flat parking. You see the volunteers. Yeah, some familiar faces. Of course, Gordon Chase is here. It's feel excited about this.
If you're passing someone on the trail, please be careful. Let them know. And if you're working on the trail and you've got a tool with you, look around. Make sure there's no one near you when you're swinging these things. Plants to watch out for. A lot of poison oak on this trail. You might find some poodle dog, and also a little bit of stinging nettles. There, you might dig up some scorpions, maybe some tarantula. Salamanders, yeah, try not to step on the salamanders. They're all over the trail. Yeah, we'll try to get back about 3. We'll probably end work around 2 o'clock. We're going to have a 1.5 mile walk down to the trailhead. These cabins, a lot of them are still occupied. A lot of them are missing from the fire. Be respectful when we're walking down past them. Try not to, we'll try not to be too loud. When we get up on the trail, away from everyone, we're fine. But walking down there, let's just be respectful.
I would say when we're working, if any of you are afraid of heights, there's some areas along here you may not want to work. But if you're doing tread work along the section, especially along by the waterfall there, and taking the slough off the trail, make sure you have plenty of distance between each other. And that is because we had some rain and things may be coming down from the mountain above us. You want room to be able to move to the side. So make sure that you have plenty of escape room wherever you're working, where the trail is really steep. When you're swinging tools, always look out for other people. Now, for anyone with a swinging tool, the rule is, when you're swinging a tool like this, is that it should never come towards you. When you swing a tool, you should always bend your knees. The tool always comes down parallel to the ground. You should never swing a tool where you lock your knees where it can come towards you. It should never come towards you. That's how you get injured. So swing a tool, come down, and make sure it doesn't swing towards your body. On the McLeods, what you want to make sure you want to do on the McLeod, same kind of idea. So you can come in there. I like using this part, the rake part, to take the slough off the trail, because you can dig in really deep and pull it out. This part is really good for chopping plants and stuff, but to really get in, because what we're doing today is you have a lot of material, slough that's come onto the trail, so you want to reach in there and dig out as much as you can and pull it off the trail. Now we've got some people here who are very experienced, and some people who are here are pretty new to this. So I would suggest to people who are very new, kind of team up with people who are more experienced, so you can get a good idea of the best way of doing this.
I love those. They're wearing these too. No, that's okay. Maybe end of the day. They're big now.
Robert.
Hey.
That bridge is toast.
Yeah. That's the bridge right there. Used to be here close to Robert's camp. Oh, not my camp. Robert's camp.
That's wild.
See, this one used to be a good cabin before the fire, I guess. And look at that now.
5% angle, so let's see, that's about right there. And so I'm just going to... Yeah, it's half, yeah, oh, I see where it's splinters too.
Look at the damage from probably from the last storm. See all those houses or cabins still standing. We're gonna leave this as is for now. People can just go through it without hitting the head, so it's fine, I guess. Making progress.
Oh.
Hey, that first one, I loosened it. I just want you to know.
Oh.
That's nice of you to come. At least it'll help spread the word for more volunteers.
Take the picture of the whole group before we headed down and up. Yeah.
This washes out.
I know, well, what happened here, the people are coming up in the waterfall.
Right.
Yeah. We see another tent here.
Right, but the gully, they broke the gully.
Yes.
They almost went here.
This used to be up here.
There you go.
Okay.
Big chunk.
What?
Whoa!
Now be careful, guys. Okay, like this is coming down here. A big piece, okay? Okay. There's a loose piece right there.
But that thing is all loose right now. Very, very unstable.
Right. Don't fall back. It's interesting.
Alright, time for lunch. Lunch break.
Everybody sit down and eat. Enjoy the view.
water hesitation for rocks to come down.
Yeah, but then you just get over this way. It's not there. It's got to come out. That one? Yeah, it's pivoting on it. Yeah. See if we can get that one. You got this hanging out the back.
Do you want help to move that one?
Not yet. That's what they always say after playing the top when they break the good.
Okay, you want to flip it? Okay.
Oh, your feet.
Oh, start flipping it. Okay.
Now it's like we're starting over again with that big white turf.
Almost there.
Where is it holding? Yeah? Are you sure? No, I can see it. I can see it. It's right there. Yes!
Yeah!
There it goes.
Hell yeah!
Oh, man. That's our first big cut of the day.
Good job, Matthew.
Oh,
Good job, Justin.
wow.
Opens up your friend over there, right?
They made a cut right here.
Yeah, once
And one more cut over there.
this cut through, then
So we can roll it down. Yeah. Push it down there. So the trail will be coming from there or either way. And this is really blocking the trail.
There we are. Wait. I gotta get out of here. Let's get safety. Hold on. There it is. Alright. Now we can roll both sides. Everybody has to go after I didn't expect that one to go. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah! This is the aftermath after doing the clearing. Here, look at that. Big improvement, guys. We're on the way out. A few more, probably last mile, finishing up. We're gonna converge again at parking, and that will be the end of the event for today. Thanks to Gordon and Alan for this opportunity. Pretty cool wild place right here in Santa Anita Canyon. All right. Great job, man.
Did it.
Yep.
Made it back.
Complete 22 of us. 22.
I've done that many, many times at the end of the day. Where's my missing tool? If anyone needs me to come back. Always is.
Great range. Got all the helmet.
Anyone else?
I got a whole car,
So
22?
Yeah,
Nice.
22. Yeah.
that's the
You're welcome back anytime. Anytime.
That's the record also. We haven't had that many. I don't know, unless you have seen 20 people in the past.
We've had big groups before, but never this productive.
Productive.
It's much more than we thought we could done, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, we got done a
a
lot.
lot. Yeah,
Great.
very impressed with the thread work.
Okay, anyone with a pass in your window, just hand it to me. I'm the caddy right over there.
Parting word, like I said before, this crew was the most amazing crew I've worked with in the last 10 years. They got almost 4/10 of a mile done. At this rate, maybe 2 more trips, maybe 3 more trips. This trail will be done. So I appreciate everybody who came out. And anyone who's watching this, if you want to come out and help, Robert will have the information to get you up here. So thank you.